गुड मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रन। अभी इस वीडियो में हम लोग ऑपरेशंस ऑन सेट्स जो टॉपिक स्टार्ट किया था उसका सेकंड ऑपरेशन करने वाले हैं, दैट इज इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ टू सेट्स। इसके पहले वाली वीडियो में हम लोगों ने किया था यूनियन ऑफ टू सेट्स। यूनियन में दोनों सेट के एलिमेंट्स को मिला के एक नया सेट बनाते हैं। बट इन इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ टू सेट्स वी विल टेक ओनली कॉमन एलिमेंट्स। सी द एग्जाम्पल, if A is having 1, 2, 3 and B is having 3, 4, then the intersection of A and B will have only 3, which is common in both. Should we write intersection of two sets A and B is a set containing elements which are common in A and B both, or we can say the elements which are in A as well as in B. It is denoted as just opposite sign of union, that is the sign of intersection. So in this case A intersection B will be written 3. Also, set builder form of this intersection of A and B will be set of X, where X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Clear? Intersection means set of common elements which are present in A as well as in B. If you are making intersection of 3 sets, then also these elements which are present in A, B and C, they will come. That we will discuss in a property. But if there are the sets in which no element is common, like you can see the set C which is having 4 and 5, then what about A and C? Nothing is common, so their intersection will be called as null set or phi, and such type of the sets are known as disjoint sets. The next one will come disjoint sets, but before that again intersection of two sets means set which is containing common element, denoted by this symbol. And always remember, here you will get the word and, because these two, union and intersection, are looking similar, only the difference is this word only. In union we have written earlier discussed that X belongs to A or X belongs to B, but in intersection only which is present in A and in B. So this or and is very important to remember. Now we are going to do disjoint sets, which is connected to intersection of two sets. So next type of set is disjoint sets. If A and B are two non-empty sets and A intersection B is null set, means nothing is common, then A and B are called disjoint sets. Example, if A is 1, 2, B is 3, 4, then A intersection B will be 5. Therefore, A and B are disjoint sets. Disjoint is this property. You must remember, disjoint sets means intersection will be null set. Nothing is common between them. Now we are talking about the Venn diagrams for union, intersection and disjoint. If two sets are having some elements common, then this common area will be represented like this simply, or you can take elements like A, B. If you are having 1, 2 is here and 3, while seeing making the universal, you can put some more elements like 4 and 5 in universal. 4 can be here, 5 and 6 can be here. So this area is denoted by intersection of two sets. This is for intersection. For union, you can show this combined, because we are making union means taking all the elements of A and B. So this will be represented by A union B. You can take elements, or you can simply say this is A, this is B, this is universal, and denoted by A union B. When they are saying, if the question is been asked that show the union of two sets by Venn diagram, then both type of the figure, like this one without element, can also be covered, or you can put some elements like this, can also be covered. For intersection, only this much area, this will be called intersection A, intersection B. If they are asking, give example of union and intersection and represent by Venn diagram, then you have to take examples also and show by the Venn diagram. So this is intersection, this is union, not disjoint, because nothing is common, so they will be represented as separate sets. You want to put the elements 1 and 2, 3 and 4, some extra elements 5, 6 in universal. So I am showing all three together. Please understand again, union means combining both the sets, intersection means only common element, and disjoint means separate sets. Next comes, after all three, the fourth one is difference of sets. Difference of two sets. See first example, if A is having 1, 2, 3, B is having 2, 3, 4, then difference of A and B will be this. If you are writing difference of A and B, then minus sign will come. This is the symbol to represent difference of set. We are not subtracting. Remember, you cannot add or subtract two sets. This is a symbol, like union symbol is this, intersection symbol is this. In the same way, this is the symbol minus to show the represent of set, difference of sets. And what is difference means? If you are saying A and B are difference is required, or A minus B is required, then we will write the element of A, removing the element of A which are present in B. So 3 is present in B or in both, that will be removed, and this will be A minus B. In set builder form, A minus B is the set of X such that X belongs to A and X not belongs to B. So difference of set A and B is the set of all elements of A which are not in B. When you go for Venn diagram, this is A, this is B, 1, 2, 3, 4, then this A minus B only 1, because 2 is also present in B, 2 and 3. So this one, this is the area which is representing A minus B. The elements of A which are not in B. Also we can say A minus B is, see, the whole A, this is the set A, leaving intersection. So it is A minus A intersection B is also the same set. अगर A में से A और B के इंटरसेक्शन को निकाल दें, बाहर कर दें, तो भी A माइनस बी बनता है. ये भी उसका एक दूसरा तरीका है लिखने का, A माइनस बी. बट अभी डेफिनेशन समझ लें. सेट ऑफ difference of A and B is the set of all X which are in A but not in B. डायग्राम से देखें, A के वो एलिमेंट्स जो B में नहीं है वो A माइनस B में आते हैं. It is also known as only A minus B, or it is also called as only A, means the element which are only in A. That is known as difference of set. For definition we say difference of two sets A and B is denoted as A minus B, and it contains elements of A which are not in B. That is the short definition of this A minus B. But remember, we are just reading as A minus B. Otherwise there is no subtraction between two sets. You cannot say that we are subtracting the elements. No, there is no subtraction. Now if we are getting B minus A, after this you may write the example, and after A minus B we are finding B minus A. Now B minus A means the element of B which are not in A. So only 4. It is in B but not in A. Got it clear? So A minus B and B minus A both are represented here. Now it is not given in the NCERT book, but one more point is here, which is symmetric difference. Which is union of A minus B and B minus A. That is called symmetric difference, and it is denoted as A delta B. This area is represented as B minus A. Now see, A minus B and B minus A, if you are making union of both, then it will be called as symmetric difference of A and B. Which are belonging to A only as well as belonging to B only. Okay, so that is symmetric difference. Now if you want to write definition, symmetric difference of A and B is denoted as A delta B, and it contains, or you can simply say it is union of A minus B and B minus A. Therefore, A delta B is A minus B union B minus A. This is only A and this is only B. Now see, when we are combining only A and only B, then we will say this is the set which is containing the elements which belongs to only one set. This is only A, this is only B. But when you are combining them, this will be set of elements belonging to any one set only. Now see the example. In that case only, what is A minus B? We have already calculated only one. You are making union with B minus A. B minus A is 4, so that will be 1 and 4. And now see, 1 and 4 are the elements which are in any one set only. किसी एक सेट में ही होंगे जो इसके अंदर आएंगे, या तो ए में होंगे या बी में होंगे. जैसे कुछ एक दूसरा एग्जांपल से समझें, कुछ क्रिकेट प्लेयर फुटबॉल भी खेल सकते हैं. यानी अगर हमारे पास 20 क्रिकेट प्लेयर हैं तो ये पॉसिबल है कि उसमें से 5 प्लेयर फुटबॉल भी खेल सकते हैं. और 2 टीम अगर हम बनाते हैं एक फुटबॉल प्लेयर्स की, मान लीजिए 20 फुटबॉल प्लेयर हैं, 20 क्रिकेट प्लेयर हैं, और उसमें से 5 कॉमन हैं जो दोनों गेम खेलते हैं, तो सिमेट्रिक डिफरेंस में क्या होगा, कितने आएंगे? क्रिकेट में 20 है, फुटबॉल में भी 20 की टीम है और 5 कॉमन है. तो जब हम C माइनस एफ करेंगे तो 5 इसमें से माइनस हो जाएंगे, 15 आएंगे इस वाले एरिया में. ओनली C 15, इंटरसेक्शन माइनस हो जाएगा. देखिए एग्जाम्पल से C माइनस F क्या होगा, 15 एलिमेंट होंगे इसमें, ऑर्डिनल नंबर। F माइनस C इधर भी 15 होंगे, लेकिन जब हम इनका C और F का सिमेट्रिक डिफरेंस निकालेंगे तो ये दोनों उसमें ऐड हो जाएंगे, इसका नंबर 30 हो जाएगा। जैसे यहां पर 1 और 4 दोनों आ गए, ऐसे ही ओनली क्रिकेट, ओनली फुटबॉल दोनों सिमेट्रिक डिफरेंस में आते हैं। इस तरह के क्वेश्चन कंपटीशन में भी पूछे जाते हैं, इसलिए ये सिमेट्रिक डिफरेंस समझना जरूरी है। इस पर बेस्ड और क्वेश्चन करेंगे हम लोग अगले वीडियो में। अभी आपको यूनियन, इंटरसेक्शन, डिसजॉइंट ऑफ सेट, डिफरेंस ऑफ सेट्स एंड सिमेट्रिक डिफरेंस ऑफ सेट, इसको ठीक से समझ लें। इस पर बेस्ड क्वेश्चन एक्सरसाइज में होंगे, सिमेट्रिक डिफरेंस पर बेस्ड एक्सरसाइज में नहीं है, उसके लिए मैं एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस आपके लिए दूंगा, उनको आप ट्राई करिए। एंड जो भी कंफ्यूजन्स हैं, कोई भी डाउट आपको अगर आता है घर में करते हुए, तो आप मेरे को फॉरवर्ड करिए। सबसे अच्छा ये है कि बहुत सारे बच्चे फॉरवर्ड कर रहे हैं अपने प्रॉब्लम्स, अपने डाउट क्लियर कर रहे हैं मेरे को भेज के, बट फिर भी अभी 100% रिस्पॉन्स नहीं है। सो आई रिक्वेस्ट एवरीवन टू यू दैट यू हैव टू sincerely do your efforts, practice every day and discuss with me. Okay, thank you.